Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have a delicious recipe for you that I got from the Slow Cooker Gourmet. I will leave links below, just showing you some of the ingredients here in the beginning that I will be using. I use my Instant Pot Dutch oven slow cooker, which is nice because you can brown the beef right in the pot. If not, you will brown your beef on the stove top. But here I am doing it in here just with some salt and pepper. I have a pound of grass-fed ground beef. Super delicious. I get that from ButcherBox, and it's really good. So use what you have and get it in there. You could even use ground turkey for this, to be honest. But I'm just seasoning that with salt and pepper. And like I said, this Instant Pot slow cooker, I think probably the Ninja one does the same. You can lift this pot right out. It's just a cast iron Dutch oven, which is nice. Just getting some of that extra grease out of here. As you're watching, if you could hit like and subscribe, don't forget to do that and share this video. That helps YouTube spread the good news. And I'm just browning it up here and getting most of that pink out. It's okay if you don't get every little jot and tittle because it's going to cook as you go. So I think I'm getting my ingredients going here. I was not feeling well. I came home from the dentist and for a cleaning and ended up having to get a crown while I was there. So big bummer. So I was very sore and tired and hungry and I couldn't eat anything. So I was at least feeding my family. So here I am throwing in some apple cider vinegar and teaspoon of onion powder and garlic powder and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and half a cup of barbecue sauce, and some, I think I said salt and pepper earlier, and just adding that all around and giving that a zhuzh. And of course now it looks like Sloppy Joe, right? And then I forgot my mustard powder. I think I think it's about a teaspoon of mustard powder. Again, I will leave the link to her recipe down below to take you to her website for that. And I had an open bag of shredded potatoes that I needed to use, so I just poured all of it. But the recipe calls for 12 ounces of shredded frozen hash brown potatoes, so I was just using up what I had. And after that cooks on high for a few hours or low for 6 to 8, you would put the cheese on there and melt it for 15 minutes. I forgot to take pictures, so here's one picture, and I have future me. Okay, guys, so I meant to film the rest of that casserole in the slow cooker, but completely forgot. It was a really rough day. I had gone to the dentist for a cleaning and ended up getting a crown. So my face is still rather puffy and you know, the whole bit where you're sore and numb, and I was just happy to get the food on the table, although it was something I could eat, which I was thankful for that. It was soft enough that it's very, very tasty. So, and of course we served it with a little bit of, sorry, I keep looking at the wrong spot on the camera. We served it with a little bit of mustard, and it was so delicious, in a salad. So it's nice to have the Sloppy Joe if you can't have the bun or, you know, gluten-free or whatever, or just want something more casserole-like. The potato served as the starch. So yeah, I'm going to be making that one again. I hope you guys try it. Sorry about the lack of finished picture. What you didn't see in the video was, let's see. So the video left off with cooking it with the potato layer on top. And then when you're done cooking on high for about 3 to 4 hours, I did it for 3, you take the lid off and put your shredded cheese on and put the lid back on for another 10 minutes. And you're ready to go. Scoop it out. It was very, very tasty. See you in the next video, guys.